Today we're going to make the most delicious tuna steak right here on Impossibly Kosher. The first thing you're going to need is a fresh fillet of tuna. Make sure it's a nice and fresh piece and not one that's been sitting in your fridge for a couple days. This will help avoid that strong fishy smell and taste. I find it best to season it with just salt and pepper alone. This allows for the freshness of the tuna to be elevated instead of masked. Make sure to season both sides nice and evenly. Don't be afraid to generously apply the black pepper. Next, you're going to want to pat the salt and pepper down on both sides. You're even going to want to do it on the edges. Get your pan nice and hot and add whatever high smoke point oil you have on hand. I find grapeseed oil works the best as it doesn't leave any residual taste on the tuna. Add the tuna to your pan and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. This will give you that nice golden crust on the outside and nice and raw at the center. All that's left to do is take it out of your pan, put it on a cutting board, slice it, serve it, and enjoy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and check out some of our other Impossibly Kosher videos.